Hello and welcome Dalton Box Mods owners. In this video I will show you how to handle my box mod, how to disassemble the backplate and reassemble it without having a gap on the top. Therefore we have to go to the details. So let's go to the details. So back in the detail view now. That's how the box comes with the metal plates and built together. So first thing you have to do is disassemble these screws, these thumb screws, to put in the batteries. Two 18650 batteries. I recommend the EFEST Purple or similar model with similar technical data. So at least one battery should have a discharge current of 6 amperes. So here are my batteries right inside. Just snap it out or snap it in your case. That's the inside. Plus is always here and minus is here. If you put it in the wrong direction, also no problem. There are lights right here which say that one of the batteries is in the wrong direction. So snap it in the right direction like this. No of the LEDs is lighting up, so everything is correct. You can also see the display is going on. So, and now the difficult part, the little tricky part. On these edges, on these distance holders, these connectors, you see there is a little there's a little thing here, and that's where these holes here should slide in. So not only give it here and screw it down, that's wrong. If you make it wrong, I'll show you. If you make it wrong, you see there's this little gap here and this rattles a little bit. That's wrong. And also you can see here is a gap between this and the plate. So correct way to mount this is start with only one corner. Look that it fits. It is flush here. So you can see now it's correct. There's no gap here, and it is flush here. Yes? Okay. So screw the first in, one after another. Okay, screw it down. Then the next, sometimes you have to push a little bit here or pull a little bit here and make pressure with the thumb here down until it clicks. On my box it doesn't click because I disassembled and reassembled it that often that it fits correctly at the first time. So also now we have here too, that's normal. That's normal that it pushes up like this. And here we have the case that if I push it down, it doesn't sit flush. If you can see here, it doesn't sit flush. Here, there's a gap. And we have to reduce this gap. A little pressure here. With this thumb and a little pressure here. And now it sits correct. Here, flush. The focus is a little bit freaking. Okay, so screw it down. And now the last one. The last one also isn't correct here, the little gap. Maybe I can focus it. Yes, here you see this little gap. And now push it a little bit with this thumb in this direction and here down until it clicks. Come on, until it clicks or until you see it's in. And I can now see it's in. You can also see here it's in. And here it sits nearly flush. That's okay. So screw it in. And there is nearly no gap. And that's how it should be. So back in the overview again. So that's it. That's the magic how it works to put this correct together and make this work. To load the box, you have here your micro USB loading port. For loading, I recommend a charger which can provide 1 mAh, because the built-in loading controller supports up to 1 mAh, 1000 mAh. So it loads with 1 ampere. For 2 batteries, it's about a loading time about 5 or 6 hours, which is okay, I think. You can also load it with lower power loading adapter, but then it will take longer. Also, I don't recommend to plug this to the computer, because some of the computer mainboards haven't protected this loading functionality and haven't protected the USB port, and it can be that you plug in my box to your computer and your computer will crash. The mainboard will crash. On cheap mainboards, but I don't recommend it to connect it to the computer. Okay, that's it. If you are owning one of my boxes and you aren't in the Dalton Box Mod Owners Group on Facebook, just contact me, give me a PM, or just write on my homepage in the contact form, and I will invite you to this group to get every information and to get support. Also, just contact me, write me. You have my homepage address. You can easily find me on Facebook. Yes. So have a nice have a nice day. Have fun with my box and wait on. Bye.